Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be taking you with me to the second journey of our Shop Hop at Twisted Sister in Alcoa. Shop Hop is happening right now in Middle Tennessee is where I moved from, East Tennessee, and we're visiting a lot of the quilt shops that are here locally and getting to see some new and fun and cute things. So I'm videoing all of this with my phone. I'm going to apologize in advance if it's shaky. I will apologize again if my children are a little bit loud. If you don't know, I'm a homeschool mom of 4, and so we have a lot of kids in tow wherever we go. So I hope you enjoy seeing this. I love getting to see other people's quilt shops and what they have locally, and I will go ahead and jump right on in.
Already been to Miss Gina's.
Yes, you're our second stop.
Yay!
Close to home.
This is our 6-inch
Ooh.
size. This is the 36-inch size of this block that's featured in this card deck, and it gives you on the back sizes and what to cut.
Okay, those are pretty cool.
And while we have Shop Hop, our regular price is $19.25. We're on sale for $13.47. Lots of wonderful information. Yardage, if you have trouble figuring out your yardage,
Okay.
as well as binding.